Hello guys, welcome to the video. Today I'm going to be unboxing the iCarry 2. I got it for my birthday, but I'm super excited. I can't wait. This is going to be so exciting. I don't even want to do it right on control. Let's just get into it. So here's the packaging. Alright, I'm going to be using scissors. Okay, I've made it. Tiny cut. Where you are supposed to open it? Oh, no. Oh. Oh. Oh, ew, it's a trash. But oh, it's frosted version. Of course we would have. And a flight ship SmartCube. How do you open these? Everybody? No. How do I? Sorry, guys, I just need my dad to open it. So, thank you. Yeah. How do I open it? I need it. Oh. Are you kidding? Okay, man. Thank you. This is a function. And I can't open it. Of course, it would come with this thing. Oh yeah, Quirful Gan flagship. Of course, all of Gan's flagship things. Of course, all of Gan's flagship. Now let's try this thing out. Oh, that is great. Oh. I'm doing a fall straight up on this thing. This just feels great. Got this just feels great. Let's see the questions. Of course, it'd be in Chinese. Okay. Okay, let's not even look into these things. Of course, I do have one more of these, but this is so flagship. How's the corner cutting? It can do 45 degrees corner. Oh my god, it can do like 40 degrees turn. Oh my gosh. And thank you. No, wait. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. Bye. But I do